Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Boxycharm Premium for the month of August to go over with you. Now, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription. This in particular box is $39.99 a month. You get to choose 2 out of 6 items inside, and they are all full size. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start and see what's in my box. But if you do like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the card. It's Dusk Till Dawn is the theme of the month, and we have a list of products and descriptions on the back with prices as well. Now, first thing I'm pulling out is an Ofra Signature Sympathy Palette. I do believe I already have this. I'm going to double check. So if I do already have this, what I'm going to do is put this in a future giveaway. I have a nice amount of stuff already collected for that. But this is the palette. Yes, it looks really familiar. I do believe I own this already. And I'm not saying it's a bad palette. I just already own it. So I'm going to be putting it in a giveaway. But this palette is valued at $34. Okay, this next item was one of my choice items. And it's Complex Culture Pout Lipstick. And it's Rich Plumping Lip Color. And I got the shade Owns It. So this is what the packaging looks like, just like most of their other packaging on their products. Let's go ahead and see what the color looks like on this. I'm excited to try this because I haven't tried, this is made in Italy, that's really cool, but I haven't tried any Complex Culture things that I didn't enjoy, so I'm definitely looking forward to giving this a go as well. But this is the packaging on it, and ooh, I like how they put little C's there for Complex Culture, and it's a really beautiful color. Just about anybody could probably wear this one, and there is the color there swatched. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Let's see, the price on this is valued at $24 for this lipstick. Okay, this next item is in bubble wrap here, and let me get it open so we can see what it is. Okay, cool. This is a Playa is the brand, and it's a leave-in conditioner. You can never have too many of those laying around, that's for sure. It's good for 12 months after you open it, so I am going to wait to open this one. But I will let everyone know what I think it smells like and how I think it performs and stuff like that. I do reviews on this channel. It's gotten down to like 1 or 2 times a month, but I do them typically. I like to review the things that I use and let everyone know if I think it's worth it or not. But this is actually valued at $24 for this leave-in conditioner. Okay, next up was my other choice item, and this is from Lorac, and it's a Light Source Illuminating Primer 3-in-1. And Lorac's also another company I really like, and I love the packaging on this. I'm wondering, I am going to use this, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it, because honestly, that looks a little dark. Like, I'm wondering if it's actually really has pigmentation to it, or so this is what it looks like right there on the skin. So I'm a little bit nervous, to tell you the truth. I'm not really sure if it's going to be pigmented or not, but it kind of, I could see definitely how it's illuminating, that's for sure, but this is just a little bit, so obviously you just need a little bit to go a long way. I'm just curious to see if it like blends in the skin so that it's not like making your skin a different color. It seems to blend in just fine. So even though it looks a little bit dark and scary, it's not. It blends into the skin and it leaves it really luminous looking. So I can get how they call it an illuminating primer. But anyways, this is valued at $35 for this primer. And then we have a couple more items inside as well. So let's get those out. This next thing is from Essential Radiance, and it's a Nutrient C eye cream. Oh, sorry, it's from Kate Berkey is the brand that it's from. But I mean, another eye cream. I have so many eye creams now. I swear I have like an eye cream drawer. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this or what I'm going to do with it, but I will show you all the packaging on it. I think it's really nice packaging for an eye cream. It looks nice. To me, it almost looks like the consistency, if just looking at the bottle, almost like a serum. But I'll have to try that out and let everyone know. Eye cream is definitely something I already have plenty of open right now, so not messing with that either. But this is valued at $90 for this eye cream. So honestly, I'm probably going to keep this eye cream just because it is so expensive. I definitely want to try it out. And last but certainly not least is from Pop Mask, a sleepover mask, 5 self-warming steam masks. This is kind of cool, and I would like to do something like this with my sister. I think it'd be fun if we had like a bottle of wine and watch some movies and threw some of these on. I think that would be really fun. But this is valued at $20 for these masks. So, and they're unisex, one size fits all. They're rose scented, so maybe not for everyone, because I know some people really don't like rose scents, but just so you know, these are rose scented. I'm going to be putting my total box value up in the corner here. That's everything I had for the video today. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.